front of me is POCO M8 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by opening Devices settings and scrolling to click on Sound and Vibration available here. Then scroll down instantly to access Vibration section available here. Now use this switcher next to Vibrate vocals to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. This one next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. And last but not least, click on Vibrate on tap. This way you can pick intensity of touch vibrations, light, medium or strong, and set it up, or select off to disable them completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!